So yeah, here's my truck. You could say I fit it in the garage. I literally had to take off my hitch so that I would fit inside. There's my bike, all ready to go. Look at this. Look at this. Ugh. Like, barely touching. Man, it's pretty close. About the same on the other side, if not worse. So, yeah, we did it. Oh yeah, who's ready to ride? Alright, I know you guys have seen moto vlogs, scooter vlogs, car vlogs, but have you ever seen a pogo vlog? I mean, these things are awesome. You can go like so fast on them, and then like a motorcycle, you can't just jump straight up and down. No, so we're gonna see how this works. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And unlike motorcycles, it is a lot better exercise. Okay, I'm sure. I wish I had 2 GoPros so I can actually watch myself vlogging and put that in the video. Alright, let's go one more time. When I was a little kid, I tried to use these because my mom used to send us outside forever, and I tried to see how many I could get, and I think one time I got 300, and I just got so tired I stopped. So I could have kept going. Tell me if you guys beat that or not. 300 jumps on a pogo. Yeah, baby. Alright, so I am actually heading to Columbia to go meet my brother and hang out with him for a few hours because I'm waiting for my buddy who's going to go ride with me, Dennis the Menace. He gets off work at around 2, so he's going to meet me from where he lives to all the way in Columbia, which will be about approximately a 2.5 hour, maybe 3 hour drive. So I'm going to hang out in Columbia with my brother until then. Got my bike in the back, all freaking ready to go. I'm so excited for this awesome ride. I've actually never done a face cam like this before, so okay, so yeah, I got all my stuff here. Got my little GoPro, selfie stick, which I feel like a nerd carrying around, but it is what it is. Got my awesome helmet, all my crap. I'm not being very organized right now, but yeah, so heading to Columbia, and don't know if I'll record any there actually. But let me know if you like this face cam stuff and like looking at my beautiful face. What's up, everybody? We just ended up staying the night at this hotel right here, and we're waiting for it to warm up in Deals Gap. We're about 5 miles from the Tail the Dragon, and we spent the night here, and it actually got pretty cold last night, as you can tell. Most of it's already all melted, but on this side, see, got some frost on it, and even on on the seat you got some. So yeah, it got pretty cold last night, and you can see my strap right here. It's supposed to get up to like 68 degrees though around lunchtime, so yeah, we're probably gonna head out right before